Hi, this video is the FUE 1 year follow-up, and we basically lower the hairline and bring the temple, and his result is fantastic. It had very good density, and not just density, but you want to see how natural, and that's really most important, because hair transplant is not just the surgical skill. The surgical skill gives you density, but the artistic and aesthetic detail, and that's where it will bring out your how natural the hairline is. And this is where his hair is, but this is where he was, and you can see we did 1910 graft, and it should be around 2,000 graft or more, depending how big the head is. Some people had it bigger, you can go up to 2,500, but that's why we lower the hairline, bring those temple, and look at that a year later, good density. And again, we lower the hairline, bring the temple, and look at that, excellent density. Again, we lower the hairline, bring the temple, and fill in the whole area. Excellent density on top view, top view. Okay, that was where he was, and this is where my client is now, and you can see excellent coverage, excellent density, and we can comb through, and you see how natural the hairlines with a good zigzag. And this client walk around, no one can tell they have had surgery. And then the idea is to make it look natural and with good density, and you can comb through and comb any way, any angle you want. So this is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery result. Thank you.